Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on loading on the application of Temu. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Temu and we click here. In this page of app and file we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.